All right, how's it going, everybody? It's your boy Wicked Nature. We were back with another one. Just picked up another ski. Today we have for you 2001 Yamaha. This is an XLT 1200. That's right, big boy status. You hear me? Take a look at that thing. I mean, this thing is a pretty nice ski. Now the seats are pretty banged up. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna have to get redone, and it's not that big a deal. I mean, this is the least of the problem. I mean, seriously, of the things that's probably wrong with this ski. You can see both sides. The skis are banged up, but this is a really nice ski. All the stickers are there. Seems to be pretty nice. There's actually even a tow bar, tow mirror. That's crazy. But yeah, it's all here. Hull's in pretty great condition. I mean, this thing don't this look like a Decepticon? The thing transforming now. Back up off me. Know what I'm saying? Let me find out. Now, I don't know who in a loose stool thought that this was a smart idea. Now, I pray that this is actually not screwed onto here, but only in the Midwest. They always got to be drinking, so I know this is classic them. Take a look at the inside. So we got, yeah, we got a lot of oil down there. Not a good sign. I know we got some kind of primer problem. Our primer went out of something. I don't really know much about it just yet, but I can tell you one thing: we finally got a battery. Most of the times I pick one of these up, never have a battery in there. Oh, it ran the last time I parked it. Come on, man, you know, never the case. Beautiful little three. Yeah, I mean, look how they got everything stuffed in here. This is just madness. Jeez Louise. I'm excited, man. I don't know much about this one at all, and we're gonna figure it out together. Ain't gonna dive too deep into it just yet. I just want to throw this out there. We're gonna have shorts. We're gonna have all kind of things on this channel because it's starting to look like I'm doing more jet skis than boats. Now for the, you know, the boats we do have already, we will finish them up, obviously. But this jet ski thing is starting to take over just a little bit. I can't wait till the summertime comes around. You know, we're in the winter right now, but hopefully the goal is by summertime you'd watch all these projects get completed in a running condition, and then when the summertime come around, the footage will be crazy because we'll always be in the water doing something crazy. That's the goal. So yeah. You know, like I said, stay tuned on the channel. Like, follow, subscribe. Your boy, Wicked Nature.